The year goes round, come and see. 4 little seasons, 1, 2, 3. In spring the flowers start to grow. Green and bright they put on a show. In summer the sun is warm and high, splashing, playing, oh me, oh my. Spring, summer, autumn, winter too. 4 little seasons for me and you. Round and round the whole year goes in Sunny Hollow. Everybody knows. In autumn the leaves turn red and gold, falling down a sight to behold. In winter the snow is soft and white, cozy and warm through the frosty night. Spring, summer, autumn, winter too.